is Sabir. Today I will show up how to save your phone contact address in Google account. First I go to my contact and go to setting, contact setting. Okay, now I import my contact address in Google account and I choose my SIM on, and now I choose Google account. Okay, now I select one number. Okay, now I import my all phone number in Google account. Guys, you must be need internet connection. With that internet connection, you cannot input your contact list in Google account. Okay, now I show up how to new contact address save in Google account. Okay, first I type on number, unknown number, your new friend number, and click new contact and choose your Google account. Okay, guys, I think this video enjoying. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share your friend. Thank you.